How to assemble LUANDA kids bikes. LUANDA PH. Step 1 is to install the head. Step 2 is to install the front fender and brake cable. Put the cable inside and fix. Step 3 is to fix the basket with screws. Step 4 is to install the front wheel. And then lock and fix the fork, 2 sides. Step 5 is to put the cable in right brake. Step 6 is to install the training wheels and fix the screws. Step 7 is to install the rear fender. Step 8 is to install the seat. Step 9 is to install the pedal. First distinguish left and right, and then install and fix them. Step 10 is to check and adjust the front brake. Step 11 is to check and adjust the rear brake. Check the wheels. Step 12 is to install the bell. Congratulations, you got it!
Not gonna cry.